Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best outdoor tableware is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked aspects of enjoying a meal al fresco, transforming a simple picnic or backyard barbecue into a delightful dining experience. Whether you're a seasoned camper seeking durable and lightweight options, a family planning a park outing, or a host looking to impress guests with stylish yet practical settings, the right tableware can elevate your outdoor adventures. From sturdy melamine plates that resist chips and cracks to elegant bamboo cutlery that's both eco-friendly and chic, the market offers a diverse range of choices designed to withstand the elements and enhance your culinary moments. Number 5. Simply Genius Pop-Up Mesh Food Covers, 6-pack. Introducing our innovative food covers, designed to keep your outdoor meals safe and fresh. They effectively shield your dishes from external elements while allowing heat to escape. Enjoy your picnics and BBQs without unwanted guests. These covers create a reliable barrier against insects and curious animals, ensuring uninterrupted enjoyment of your food. Our food nets are designed for practicality, easily collapsing for storage and simple to clean. They are perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, ready for your next meal. Lightweight and compact, these food umbrellas are essential for camping and outdoor gatherings. Take them anywhere to ensure your food is protected on all your adventures. This set includes 6 large covers, providing ample space for all your dishes. They are an indispensable addition to any outdoor party or picnic, keeping your meals secure. What we like? These food covers are designed for ultimate convenience. They pop up easily and collapse flat for storage, making them perfect for any outdoor gathering. If you're tired of swatting away flies and bugs from your food while enjoying a picnic or barbecue, these are the solution for you. What people say. The tableware is lightweight and durable, making it perfect for outdoor use. The set includes a variety of pieces that are stackable for easy storage. The design is modern and attractive, fitting well with outdoor decor. Number 4. SCANDINOVIA 13 ounces Unbreakable Premium Drinking Glasses Set of 6. Introducing our premium drinking glasses, crafted in Japan from super-grade acrylic plastic. They offer the look of real glass but with unmatched durability, perfect for any occasion, indoors or out. Elevate your dining experience with a stunning array of vibrant colors. These cups add a touch of personality to every beverage, making them a delightful addition to your kitchen. Say goodbye to tedious dishwashing. These glasses are completely dishwasher safe, featuring flat bottoms that prevent water pooling for a perfect shine every time. Whether it's a family dinner or a poolside party, these shatterproof glasses are your ideal companion. They bring a touch of luxury and peace of mind to any event. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This elegant set is perfect for housewarmings, weddings, or birthdays. Give the gift of practical sophistication that will be cherished for years to come. Made with BPA-free and Prop 65 compliant materials, these glasses are safe for the whole family, including kids. Enjoy worry-free hydration with drinkware designed for everyday life. What we like? Experience elegance without the worry of breakage. These glasses are made from premium, shatterproof acrylic and are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. If you're looking for stylish drinkware for outdoor parties, poolside gatherings, or for use with children, these Unbreakable glasses are an excellent choice. What people say. The plates are lightweight and durable, perfect for outdoor use. The set includes a variety of sizes, making it versatile for different meals. The bamboo material gives it a natural and attractive look. Number 3. Chic Leaf Palm Leaf Plates. These natural palm leaf plates are extra sturdy, perfect for holding even heavy meals without bending or leaking. Enjoy a sophisticated look with the ease of a quick cleanup, letting you focus on your guests. Each plate is meticulously crafted from naturally fallen palm leaves, showcasing unique variations and a beautiful wood-like texture. They seamlessly blend with any party theme or holiday decor. Enjoy a pleasant dining experience with these plates, which are cleaned and sanitized for your comfort. Simply air them out if any natural scent is detected for a fresh addition to your table. Impress your guests with the versatility and strength of these plates. They are designed to hold appetizers and main courses without leaking or breaking, suitable for any occasion. These elegant disposables offer the beauty of fine dining with the convenience of quick cleanup. They are compostable and biodegradable, making them an eco-friendly choice for your next event. Whether it's a summer brunch, a holiday gathering, or a casual dinner, these plates are the perfect choice. Their sturdy construction and elegant appearance will enhance any meal. What we like. Elevate your dining experience with these eco-friendly palm leaf plates. They are sturdy enough to hold heavy meals and offer a beautiful, natural look. If you're hosting a party or event and want a sophisticated, disposable option that's kind to the environment, these plates are ideal. What people say. The plates are lightweight and durable, perfect for outdoor use. The set is stackable, making it easy to store and transport. The design is attractive and looks like real ceramic, but is much more practical for picnics and camping. Number 2. Chic Leaf Palm Leaf Disposable Plates. Our natural palm leaf plates are extra sturdy, perfect for holding heavy meals without bending or leaking. They offer a sophisticated look, replacing flimsy paper alternatives for a truly elegant dining experience. These plates are a testament to unique artistry, made from naturally fallen palm leaves. They add a touch of elegance to any occasion, blending style with eco-consciousness. Enjoy an odor-free dining experience with our premium palm leaf plates. They are thoroughly clean to ensure the highest quality, perfect for elevating your table setting. Transform your events with these high-end disposable plates that combine style and durability. They impress your guests while minimizing your carbon footprint. Perfect for parties and BBQs, these plates can be composted after use. They provide a reliable and stylish solution for the environmentally conscious, enhancing any dining experience. What we like. These plates offer a stylish and guilt-free way to serve your guests. Made from biodegradable bamboo, they are perfect for any occasion and can be composted after use. If you prioritize sustainability and want elegant disposable tableware for a romantic dinner or a special event, these plates are a fantastic option. What people say. The tableware is made of durable material that withstands outdoor use. The design is stackable, saving space during storage and transport. It is lightweight, making it easy to carry for picnics and camping trips. Number 1. Odoland Stainless Steel Camping Mess Kit for 4. Introducing the Odoland 29-piece Stainless Steel Camping Mess Kit. It includes everything you need for 4 people, from bowls and plates to cutlery and cups. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this set offers superior durability and a luxurious feel. It's BPA-free, resisting stains and odors unlike plastic alternatives. Designed for convenience, cleaning this mess kit is a breeze. It's also dishwasher safe, making post-adventure cleanup quick and simple. Every piece packs neatly into the included food-grade mesh bag. It's compact and easy to carry, perfect for any adventure without taking up extra space. Ideal for camping, picnics, hiking, or any outdoor excursion. This lightweight and compact set is great for you, your family, and friends. Grab this essential set and head out on your next journey. It's designed for all your outdoor activities, ensuring you have a complete dining experience wherever you go. What we like. This is a comprehensive mess kit designed for adventurers. It includes everything you need for 4 people and is made from durable, food-grade stainless steel. If you're a camper, hiker, or frequent picnicker who needs a reliable, easy-to-carry, and long-lasting set of tableware, this kit is perfect for your needs. What people say. The tableware is made of durable melamine, which is lightweight and shatter-resistant, perfect for outdoor use. The set includes 4 dinner plates, 4 salad plates, and 4 bowls, providing a complete dining solution for a small group. The stackable design makes storage easy and saves space in cabinets or when packing for picnics. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.